Okay, so I went with the la, li, lu, le, lo, and then the last one, ma, ya, la, wa, e, w. I mean y, y, e, u,
Y-E?
u. No, y, e, y, la, y, e. No. Wa. First one is W-A. Wa.
Wa.
Second one is E. Y-E. Y-I. E. Y-E.
Okay.
And then the third one is U. 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 E. Y-E. Fourth one is Y-E. E. O. W-O. Okay. So this is all the letter. These are all the letter. I will teach you how to write also all the letters. But this is today you learn how to pronunciation. Okay, for basic
Alphabet?
alphabet. Yeah, basic alphabet. So when you get back home, I mean you try to understand the vocabulary and all the letters to understand, and it's the best to understand by the when you understand by the sound. Okay, like first one, just read it through.
R, E, U, E, O.
Okay. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Ha, ni.
No, ha. Hi. Hu. He. Ho.
Ma,
mi. Mu, me, mo. Ya, i, yu, ye, yo. Ya, i, yu, ye, yo. La, ri, du, de, ro. Wa, i, u, e, o. Okay, so these are some letters are similar, but when you writing system, there's a difference. Okay, there's a difference when you give a writing. I'm gonna teach you next time. Okay, for the writing system. But today, learn how to sound each letter, like alphabet. English alphabet teaches you. So if you have any question, I mean,
I don't. Is there
Okay.
anything else? Because I still have a lot of time.
okay.
So I'm just a little angsty because I have to make sure I go to my computer.
Yeah. Okay. So
But we have plenty of time.
no. What I can do is I can teach you how to writing system. Okay. But let me get a coffee. I'll be back.